Hello and welcome to another episode of Amazing Space Facts, where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today we are going to talk about the largest and most massive planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and it orbits at a distance of about 778 million kilometers, or 5.2 astronomical units. That means it takes about 43 minutes for sunlight to reach Jupiter. Jupiter is so big that it could fit more than 1,300 Earths inside it. Its diameter is about 143,000 kilometers, or 11 times that of Earth. Its volume is about 1,321 times that of Earth, and its mass is about 318 times that of Earth. Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it has no solid surface. It is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun. It has a thick atmosphere with colorful clouds of ammonia and water vapor, which create the distinctive stripes and swirls that we see on its surface. The colors of the clouds are influenced by the temperature, pressure, and chemical composition of the atmosphere. One of the most striking features of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, a huge storm that has been raging for centuries. It is an anticyclone, which means it rotates in the opposite direction of the planet's spin. The Great Red Spot is about twice the size of Earth, but it has been shrinking over time. Scientists are not sure what causes the red color of the storm, but some possible explanations are sulfur, phosphorus, or organic molecules. Jupiter rotates very fast on its axis, completing one day in less than 10 hours. This makes it bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles. It also generates a powerful magnetic field, which is about 20 times stronger than Earth's. The magnetic field traps charged particles from the Sun and forms a huge radiation belt around the planet. This radiation belt can damage spacecraft and harm living organisms. Jupiter has more than 75 moons, some of which are larger than some planets in our solar system. The four largest moons are called Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. They are known as the Galilean moons because they were first observed by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Each moon has its own unique characteristics and features. Io is the most volcanic moon in our solar system. It has hundreds of active volcanoes that spew lava and sulfur into space. Io's surface is covered with colorful patches of sulfur and sulfur dioxide snow. Europa is an icy moon with a global ocean beneath its crust. The ocean may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Europa's surface is crisscrossed by cracks and ridges, which indicate that the ice shell is constantly moving and reshaping. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system. It is bigger than Mercury and Pluto. Ganymede also has an ocean beneath its crust, but it is sandwiched between two layers of ice. Ganymede has its own magnetic field, which creates auroras on its poles. Callisto is the most heavily cratered moon in our solar system. It has an ancient surface that records billions of years of impacts. Callisto also has a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and possibly some water vapor. Jupiter also has a faint ring system, which was discovered by the Voyager spacecraft in 1979. The rings are made up of dust and debris from Jupiter's moons. The main ring is about 7,000 kilometers wide and encircles Jupiter's equator. There are also two fainter rings, the inner halo ring and the outer gossamer ring. Jupiter is a fascinating planet that offers many mysteries and discoveries for scientists and explorers. It also influences the formation and evolution of other planets in our solar system, including Earth. Jupiter is a protected planet that deflects many comets and asteroids that could otherwise hit Earth and cause mass extinctions. Thank you for watching this video about Jupiter. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing space facts. See you next time.